I guess you can see my screen, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, let's start. Welcome, we are excited to have you here. So before we get started, please note that in this call, the CNCF Code of Conduct applies. So let's keep this space welcoming by treating each other respectfully and kindly. Moreover, let's recall that this call is recorded, and also it can be shared publicly, so it will be shared publicly actually. So please turn off your camera or microphone if you prefer not to be seen or heard. And don't forget to add your name here in this section under the Who Joined section. Okay, so as you know, my name is Leonardo Di Giovanna, and today I'm gonna be the MC of this community call. There are a couple of news which I would like to discuss with you, and also I guess other people will comment on this. So first of all, I would like to welcome some new Falco Security Libs maintainers and the reviewers. The first one is Deep Sky Blue 86, which has been contributed to libs since a couple of years, and now he has become maintainer. And also there are a couple of new reviewers, Tero and Jacopo, which I would like to welcome. Moreover, the second big point that we have today is related to the Drop Enter initiative. As you know, in these last months, we have worked hard to bring this initiative to light, and we completed the task list mentioned in this issue. I can show you. Basically, we for each of these system call, we dropped the enter events generation, the parsing of these events, and the testing code. So as you can see, that is a pretty big issue. There are some of these events that didn't need any work, but for the majority of them, we did a lot of work, and I would like to say thanks to all the contributors which helped. Now this issue is finished. There are a couple of points that I would like to mention that are still work in progress for this initiative, which I remember you, that is related to drop the support for enter events. Before talking about the items that are still a work in progress, I would like to say that now we don't generate anymore any kind of enter events from our driver. This helped us making the code easier and more maintainable. Of course, there is still some work to do, and this is what I mentioned here in these few points. In particular, there is still some work related to the SCAP converter, which is a component that is used, that acts on SCAP files, and which modifies or drop or extend the events read from SCAP files in order to make them more digestible for the SYNSP parser and all the logic inside Falco, basically. Moreover, we are still generating some enter events internally, and these enter events are mainly used for talk to mitigation. But we would like to stopping propagating these events from the parsing layer of Falco up to the other layers, And in this way, we can finally mitigate the event dir filter check. This is a big change, I guess, but as we mentioned in the previous call, this will lead to big performance improvement, and both on the Falco side and on the instrumented system. So the event dir will be deprecated. So basically, there will be no need anymore to specify a direction to match the events. In the deprecation period, the specifying an event direction with a greater than sign will not match any event anymore, because we are not generating any more enter events. So Falco will warn you to change the rule, to update the rules, to use the other the less than sign, basically, or remove the event dir filter check at all, completely. Then, of course, after the deprecation period, this filter check will be removed and will not be supported anymore by Falco. So we encourage you after the release to update your rules. I talked about the release. Basically, as you may notice, this initiative is pretty big, so we have still some work in progress items, and we would like to finish them, complete them before our release. So we postpone the release to the middle of October. And here, if you want, I opened here, there is a tracking issue. If you would like to, you can inspect it to see what is the actual status, which is the current status of the different tasks that will lead us to the release. The release manager will be me and Leonardo Grasso, and Jacopo offered himself to help us in this task. So basically, I said a lot of things, but I finished. So if you have any question or updates, or you want to mention something that I didn't say, that I didn't mention, please feel free to open your mic and comment. I guess.
I just want to say congrats to Angelo, Tero, and Jacopo.
Yeah, of course. Congrats, guys. Yeah, it will be fun to work with them. Okay. If there are no other questions or concerns, I guess we can finish here the call. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And have a nice day.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.